Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. I'm Harlan Chris. Tutorial to tell you in this tutorial how to especially get latest updated iOS on your iPhone's device. Most latest updated. How do you have it especially on your iPhone's device in a case your iPhone is not recommending to have a latest IPSW or iOS? Spontaneously, of course, you are not going to lose any data, just a similar strategy you will have to execute. So in this tutorial, especially as we see on this device, if I tap on a setting guys, and if I go in a general, in general as we see the software right now, especially iOS, that is a 17.3 here, as we see. This one we would like to go on a 17.4, 17.4.2 beta, 17.4 1 beta. Yes, in a case your iPhone is not recommending and you would like to update without losing data, how do you access? Very easy way and simple. As we see right now guys, if I click on a software update, it's saying that manually you are unable to update it because it's saying iOS is up to date. So in that condition you are not in position to furthermore have the latest updated iOS on this device. On any Apple device, just you will have to go for an as administrator manually by using especially 3U tool. Just you will have to go for an as administrator, connect your data cables from your especially the PC to your device and thereupon. Yes, let it read very well, and thereupon of course you will have to especially click on a smart flash just to go for refresh options. Now say it's refreshing guys, and thereupon of course I will show you the clue here. Yes, a little bit, it's having a time. If it is taking time guys, then of course you will have to change the internet connection. Sometimes the 3U tool is not refreshing the proper data, but of course mostly time of course it will work functionally, it will functionally good. Now see guys, here it has recommended after refreshing right now 17.3 point especially this iOS is working, but of course if you would like to go to 17.4 beta, we will elect here and we will go for download, and after downloading of course here we have a 2-3 options. One is a anti-recovery flash mode, secondly quick flash mode, and the retain user data in there. By electing this one, especially if I go for flash, then of course you are not going to lose any data guys. Without losing any data you will be able to have the latest iOS, that is a 7.4 most updated, of course most advanced updated iOS that was updated last especially the 6 February, 7 February, 2 days 8 February. So how you access option, that's iOS. Yes, this is also possible guys. We have one option is given especially here on 3U tool, that is especially import options. So here just we will come in a Google search bar, and here we will type here IPSW beta, and of course we will elect this one. Here we will have to choose your device. So we will, yes, it is iPhone. We will go for 13 Pro Max guys, and right now latest updated, that is a 17.4 beta 2. That was released especially on yes ago 2 days. That was especially the 6th February 2024. So how it's easy, just we will hit here to a download, and of course it has started to a download now guys. How it's easy to access. Now see it has started, but total capacity as we know that more than 7 GB, so of course it will take time here, up to of course 1 hour. So we will have to wait, and after especially downloading this IPSW guys, what we will do here, yes, directly we will click here to import, and wherever in a downloading if it was especially saved or downloaded, then of course we will import it from there. After importing of course we will assure that is a retain user data, and thereupon of course we will hit this one flash, so it will quickly within especially 5 to 10 minutes of course you will be able to get a most updated latest iOS, guys, on your iPhone's device without losing any data. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Further any inquiry or the confusion, of course, blindly have the query below the comment box, and the pleasure would be mine to reply to the query in course of time. And guys, if you found this is informative and acknowledgeable, then please don't forget, ponder, like, subscribe, and share these concerns, and hit the subscribe buttons, because of course this will really especially inspire me a lot, especially to make more videos such as informative, guys. So thank you for visiting Technology Welfare, and have a great time. Bye bye.